Okay, as I said, you have to solve this problem on your own. That doesn't mean that I'm not going to give you the solution of this. But yesterday teacher saw me clicking photographs in the guide for your solution. Statements आपण copy करतो त्याचे. Okay, what she said is, if I am sending statements from the guide and students are reading and understanding the solution of the guide, then what is the use of recording lectures and sending? They can straightway refer guide and they can learn. Okay, I tried to explain her that without a proper explanation of how to solve these problems, the solutions given in the guide is not good at all. No one can understand that. Okay, I told her, but she said, okay, but what about the new student? New students will think, sir, guide madhunच शिकवतायत. Okay, I will again clarify one thing over here. Problem, how to solve the problem and what are the solutions applicable, that is already explained in the lecture. That is whatever the videos I am recording, I am telling you how to solve this. Okay, solution आपल्या डोक्यात क्लिअर झालं. Solution is clear in our mind. Only after that what we do, we only copy the statements from the guide. Solve तो हम लोग उसको ऑटोमेटिकली दिमाग में ही कर लेते हैं. ओके, I told teacher that I am trying to teach my student to just look at the figure and draw the conclusion and solutions. Process the solution and draw right up to the conclusion in your mind itself. You have to solve the problem in your mind itself. Problem has been solved in mind itself. People understand that, and what we are copying from the guide is only the statement. Okay, but she said कि ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं करने का, ये नहीं वो नहीं. Okay, there was a heated discussion among us. So now what you have to do is, I am giving you this particular problem number 10. I am also sending you the copy of its solution. Okay, त्याचा फोटो पण पाठवणार आहे मी. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 10चा solution as per guide. You can go ahead, read the statements, copy it in your book 5 times and let me know if you have understood how to solve this particular problem. Okay, you will put the message on the group chat because teacher is also a member in the group. Okay, you put on the group if you have able to understand how to solve this particular problem or how it has been solved by just reading the statements in the guide or writing it down. Okay, then very good, you are a genius student. But if you don't understand, put a message, sir, problem number 10 is not clear, you have to explain us. We cannot get it from the guide. आम्हाला गाईडमध्ये समजलं नाही, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दिस प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 10. अगेन बोलू नका कारण मी एक्सप्लेन केलंच नाही आहे. ओके, so let teacher read those statement. If someone doesn't understand this particular problem and I get the message on the group, and then I will explain this problem, how to solve, make a video of this particular problem and send it to you. Okay, presently problem number 10 is the test given to you by Shabana teacher, that if you can go through the guide statements and understand how the problem is solved, okay, then there is no use of making videos and sending you. I can explain directly in the guide, read the statements and send it to you, जैसा मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लास टीचर्स करते, स्कूल टीचर्स करते. ओके, तो शॉर्टकट मेथड है, शॉर्टकट मेथड घेऊन का फ़ायदा नहीं है. आई एक्सप्लेन यू सो एक्सटेंसिवली, सो इन सो डिटेल, so that people should grasp the very idea about the core solution of the problem. Okay, now this is your test, problem number 10. Photo बघून घ्या. The entire photo and the entire solution has been sent to you. Okay, it has already been sent to you in the picture. You can see it says picture problem number 8चा थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम मागच्या फोटोमध्ये होता. देन 8, 9 and 10 प्रॉब्लेम हॅज बीन कवर्ड इन द लास्ट फोटोग्राफ दॅट यू हॅव रिसीव्ड बिफोर दिस व्हिडिओ. ओके, go through that and read all the statements, write it down, do the homework also 5 times and let me know if you have understood the problem. If you have not understood the problem, just put a message on the group. I will make an explanation video of the same and then I'll send you the video. Okay, presently we are going to the next topic, that is टेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंस और कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल. ओके, कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल एकदम ईजी है. हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी किया है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कॉन्ग्रुएंट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स? कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स आर द ट्रायंगल्स where the corresponding sides and angles are of equal measure. If there are two corresponding triangles, then their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are of equal measure. Such triangles are called congruent triangles. इतना तो मालूम है. मतलब क्या, हम लोग ने इसको क्या बोला था लास्ट ईयर, मैंने कैसा एक्सप्लेन किया था? मतलब डिट्टो, और एल्स यू कैन से जुड़वा, राम और श्याम, सीता गीता. देयर आर वेरियस एग्जांपल्स इन आवर बॉलीवुड. ओके, मतलब सेम टू सेम. कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स का मतलब क्या होता है? सेम टू सेम. नाउ इन ज्योमेट्री देयर आर सर्टेन टेस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई these congruent triangles. Okay, we will cover those topics one by one. Angle side angle test, side angle side test, then we have side test, and the fourth one is hypotenuse side test. Now the first test is angle side angle test. This also extends to as angle side angle. It also can be angle angle side or side angle angle. अगर ये फॉर्मेट में भी कॉन्ग्रुएंस दिखता है तो दीज टेस्ट आर एप्लीकेबल एंड दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ एंगल साइड एंगल टेस्ट इटसेल्फ. ओके, नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस rather than drawing figures and doing it again and again, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, what I'll do is, आपल्या गाईडमध्ये ऑलरेडी फोटोग्राफ्स दिलेले आहे. ओके, हाऊ टू अंडरस्टँड दिस साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट, साइड टेस्ट. most of the students, whether they are my students in the previous year or not, each and every student is doing this test of congruence or test of congruency. They are doing this particular thing every year since 5th 6th 7th 8th. okay, अभी तक तो एकदम रट्टा हो गया है. so rather than we will invest time in some major problems in solving the practice set etc., this particular test of congruency, okay, since you already know what it is, this test of congruency, all the 4 tests, I will send you photographs of the test. You have to draw the diagram and write it only one time in your tuition book. No need of repeating 5 times because you already know this test. okay, हाँ, जिनको नहीं आता वो 5 बार लिख सकता है. okay, now the next important topic is, there is one segment given in the guide that is called read and understand. okay, this read and understand topic is nothing, it is same related to the congruent triangles itself. okay, means the side to side there are 6 ways where the triangles can be congruent. 3 corresponding sides and 3 corresponding angles, वो हो गया. फिर there are so what test we have, okay, 6 correspondings बोल दिया मैंने. but out of 6, if any 3 things matches, that is either one angle 2 side 1 angle, or 3 sides. okay, if any 3 thing matches, it may be any combination of side and angles. okay, if 3 things matches with in the corresponding triangles, then the triangles are congruent. ये हो गया तुम्हारा second read and understand. now the third, fourth, fifth जो point है, that is related to your vocabulary. I have written here. okay, there is some point mentioned, especially CSCT and CACT. okay, these 2 things you have to by heart, because now every time when you are solving problem, you have to write the reason and you will not write the entire word. You can use this short form for you. okay, thanks textbook बनाने वाले को जो short form दे दिया है तुम्हारे को. okay, this CSCT stands for corresponding sides of congruent triangles, and this is corresponding angles of congruent triangle. so these 2 points you have to learn by heart. so read and understand. the other points you may not write 5 times, but the points which are covering these 2 things, okay, that is point number क्या था रे? okay, those 2 points, whatever it may be, I'll send you a photograph of that also. those 2 points you have to write 5 times and understand that. next time when we are solving problem, show that the 2 triangles are congruent. while showing that, if we are relating it to corresponding sides, then we'll put it as reason in the bracket, we'll put as corresponding sides of congruent triangle and corresponding angles of congruent triangles simultaneously. okay, depending upon whatever things we are matching, that is side or angle. irrespective, it will be used, these short forms will be used hence further. Okay, so these short forms need to be very clear in your mind. Chalo, we'll start with practice set 3.2 डायरेक्टली. ओके, टेस्ट वगैरह तुम्हाला लिहून घ्यायचा आहे वन टाइम. साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट क्या है, एंगल साइड टेस्ट क्या है, एंगल साइड टेस्ट क्या है, साइड टेस्ट क्या है, एंड हाइपोटेनियस साइड टेस्ट काय आहे. ओके, ऑल दिस टेस्ट you already know very well, so we are not wasting time in the explanation. We are proceeding straight to practice set 3.2. okay, we start that practice set in the next video.